This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your weekend plans and ask others about theirs. Let's start. Brian, what are you doing this weekend?
Oh, I'm going to the park on Saturday. How about you?
I'm staying home. I need to rest. Notice Brian said, I'm going to the park. We use going to for future plans. Let's practice. Say, I'm going to the park.
I'm going to the park.
Perfect. One more time.
I'm going to the park.
Great. Now, Brian, are you going alone?
No, I'm going with my sister. We're meeting at 10.
Nice. Brian used with my sister. That's how we say who's coming. Practice this. Say, I'm going with my friend.
I'm going with my friend.
Excellent. Say it again.
I'm going with my friend.
Good job. So, Brian, what will you do at the park?
We're gonna walk and maybe get coffee after.
Sounds fun. Did you hear maybe? We use maybe when we're not sure, like maybe I'll watch a movie, maybe I'll cook dinner.
Right, it's not a definite plan.
Exactly. Brian, do you have plans for Sunday too?
Sunday? I'm not sure yet. Probably just relaxing at home.
That's a good plan. Notice he said, I'm not sure yet. That's very common when you don't have plans. Let's practice. Say, I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
Nice. Again.
I'm not sure yet.
Perfect. Now, there's another useful phrase. What about you? This is how we ask someone their plans. Brian, show us.
Sure. Emily, I'm going to the park. What about you?
I'm staying home. See? Easy question. Let's practice it. Say, what about you?
What about you?
Great. One more time.
What about you?
Excellent. Now let's put it together. Imagine you're talking to a friend. Say, I'm going to the movies. What about you?
I'm going to the movies. What about you?
Beautiful. Now we can also ask, do you have plans? That's another way. Brian, ask me.
Emily, do you have plans this weekend?
Yes, I'm visiting my mom. Okay, let's practice that question. Say, do you have plans this weekend?
Do you have plans this weekend?
Perfect. Again.
Do you have plans this weekend?
Wonderful. Now, sometimes people say, any plans? It's shorter, more casual.
Yeah, like talking to a close friend.
Right. Both are good. Now, here's something important. When you don't have plans, you can say, not really, or nothing special.
Those are super common.
They are. Brian, let me ask you, do you have plans next weekend?
Not really. Maybe just errands.
See? Natural. Let's practice not really. Say it.
Not really.
Good. Once more.
Not really.
Nice work. Now let's talk about invitations. If someone has no plans, you can invite them. Like, do you want to come?
Oh, that's helpful.
It is. Let's say I tell you I have no plans. You can say, do you want to join me? Try it.
Do you want to join me?
Perfect. So here's a full example. Brian, I don't have plans Saturday.
Really? I'm going to the beach. Do you want to come?
That sounds great. See how easy that was?
Yeah, simple conversation.
Exactly. Let's review the key phrases. First, talking about plans. Say, I'm going to the park.
I'm going to the park.
Good. Next, asking someone. Say, what about you?
What about you?
Nice. When you're not sure, say, I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
Excellent. And when you have no plans, say, not really.
Not really.
Perfect. Now, one more thing. We often add time words like on Saturday, or this weekend, or tomorrow.
Right. I'm going shopping tomorrow.
Good example. Those time words make it clear. You can also say in the morning or at night.
Like, I'm meeting friends at night.
Exactly. Now you can have a complete conversation. Let's do one together. Brian, do you have plans this Sunday?
Yeah, I'm having lunch with my family. What about you?
Nothing special, just reading at home.
Sounds relaxing.
It is. Okay, now you try at home. Think about your weekend. What are you doing? Practice saying it out loud. Are you staying home? Going somewhere? Meeting friends?
Yeah, practice makes perfect.
It really does. Remember, you can say, I'm going to, plus the place or activity, like I'm going to the gym, or I'm going to study.
And if you're staying home, just say, I'm staying home.
Right, so simple. All right, we covered a lot today. You learned how to talk about weekend plans, how to ask others, and how to respond.
You did great.
Thanks for listening. Now here's my question for you. What are you doing this weekend? Write your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear your plans.
Yeah, tell us.
And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more beginner English lessons. We post new conversations every week.
See you next time.
Bye for now.